Hi, today I want to show you how to get the cheapest fuel price from 7-Eleven in Australia. So for this, basically what happens with 7-Eleven is they will let you choose the lowest price in your area. But sometimes the price is way lower in some different place than you live. So I will show you how to hack that location. So for that, I'm using my MacBook to install Android application player, and then I will install that 7-Eleven app in that software, and from there we will get our location. So I'm using NoxAppPlayer. For that, you can download it from this website, bignox.com. You can directly go to the bignox.com or search NoxApp Player. So let's download this application. After you start downloading, this is in DMZ because it is for MacBook. So if you are on Windows, you wanna install .exe, and after you complete this download, you need to install this application. So I already have installed this application, so I will go directly into the application. Okay, let's open NoxApp Player. We need to install 7-Eleven fuel app. So let's search for 7-Eleven fuel app for Android, or you can just search 7-Eleven fuel app APK. So don't go to play.google.com because you need to log in your Google account. So instead, let's go to any other. So this will work. So download APK file, and it should start downloading. Okay, so now we have two applications downloading, and one is already installed, that is Nox installer. So after you open NoxApp Player, so let's install 7-Eleven APK file. So this is the main window, and you can install any APK file from here. Mine is in downloads. Open that file, and then it will install in a minute. After this icon pops up, click the icon and it should open the application. So let's close this window, accept the terms and conditions. Now you can see you have the option to select your fuel type and find the best local price. To log the price, we need to sign in. Go to sign in and then register first. And after you register, you need to sign in. So I will sign in first, and then we will go on how to find the cheapest price and how to get that location in this application. Now I have signed in. Let's close that and let's search for cheapest 7-Eleven fuel in Australia. Let's open this page. Choose your fuel type. So I will go with premium unleaded 98, and you can choose a state or you can just go filter. To find the cheapest price among these, we can just go through here. Perth, that is 1.17. We can just go to Perth from here. And from here we can see The price for unleaded 98 in Perth, that is at Maddington South, is 106.9. Go on this page and we can select this second button that shows the location. So it is the virtual location for this application, NoxApp Player. We can click in there and let's find Maddington South in Perth. Or you can use your Google Maps on your phone to find where Maddington South is exactly in Perth. This is Maddington. So let's choose this location. After you choose the location, press OK. So now your NoxApp Player should use this location for your app. Let's find the best price. Let's choose Supreme 98. See how it is using Maddington South as my location. Okay, so the cheapest price that I can find for Supreme 98 is 106.9. For this I can just lock fuel price, but before that I will show you how the price can be different in some other location. So let's choose any other location. Let's say Melbourne. So let's choose any location in Melbourne and then press OK. Let's close this window and then let's go back again and find my best local price. So now see, it is showing the price in Melbourne. So the price in Melbourne, the location that I selected, for Supreme 98 is 122.7. Again, let's go back to Perth, Maddington South, where the price is cheapest at the moment. Okay, so there's Maddington. So this is Maddington, and let's go back again and find the best local price. So this is the best local price for this location. So I will lock fuel price and this price will be locked in my phone account as well. After completing all these process, now we need to get that voucher in our phone. So for that, first we need to download 7-Eleven Fuel app. And install this app. As mine is already installed, I'll just open it. And I have already signed in as well. So it is showing the price that we locked in from the laptop. Thanks for watching the video.